Lil Yachty. Who the fuck you think you is? You think you Kanye? Let me tell y'all, hold on, let's get started on this nigga Lil Yachty. Cause today I got time. Let me tell y'all what this nigga Lil Yachty did, bro. Lil Yachty, you got me fucked up. Now I wasn't gonna do this. Let me tell y'all what Lil Yachty think he Kanye, y'all. Lil Yachty, what's wrong with this nigga? Listen to this shit, right? Yesterday, Lil Yachty put out a new song, right? I want y'all to listen to this shit. Yeah. Mind you, Lil Yachty called me on the phone and said, Soulja, I want you to get on this song with me. This nigga sent me this song. Lil Yachty, I don't know who you think you is. You is not Kanye. I ain't even let Kanye get away with this shit. Why you think I'm gonna let you get away with this shit, bro? This nigga Lil Yachty had the nerve to send me a song talking about get on it. Listen to the song me and Lil Yachty did. Is that not the same song? Lil Yachty, who you think you is? Kanye West, you got me fucked up, nigga. Then I just get on Kanye West's ass about sending me a song and not putting the fucking song out? Then what you do, Lil Yachty? You turn around and do the same thing. This the same song. I could damn near still hear my ad-libs in this shit, Yachty. What's wrong with you, bro? Yeah. That's the song he just dropped. This the song that he sent me to get on. Yachty, what's going on, bro? It's the same exact song, bro. Let me find out you niggas is stealing my sound. Y'all niggas is stealing my swag. Y'all niggas is sending me the song. I'm getting on the song and y'all taking me out the song and stealing sauce. Lil Yachty, you a fuck nigga, bro. On game, you a fuck nigga. You called me on the phone talking about some, what's up, twin? I got this song I want you to put on. Because I had the bees in my hair. You got the bees in here. What's up, twin? Let's do this song. Man, let me tell y'all this. All you rap niggas, stop calling me, bro. Oh, God. Lil Yachty, Kanye West. Matter of fact, hold on. I'm not even done. Stunna for Vegas, I'm on your ass, too. Stunna for Vegas. All you rap niggas, bro, I don't know if y'all trying to use me for marketing, but y'all gonna get all the marketing y'all want. Stunna for Vegas, what the... Bro, it's the same song. That's 3 songs. Kanye West, Lil Yachty, and Stunna for Vegas.